Hey crypto enthusiasts, welcome back to everything you need to know about Bitcoin. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of Bitcoin charts. Understanding these charts is key to your Bitcoin journey, so let's dive right in. First up, the most common type of chart you'll see is the line chart. It's simple. It shows the price of Bitcoin over a set period. The line moves up and down, representing the changes in price. Want to know how Bitcoin performed last week, last month, or even last year? The line chart is your go-to. Next, we have the candlestick chart. This one's a bit more detailed. Each candle represents a time period, let's say a day. The thick part, or the body, shows the opening and closing price. If the closing price is higher, the candle is usually green or white. If lower, it's red or black. The thin lines above and below? Those are the wicks. They show the highest and lowest prices during that period. The candlestick chart is great for spotting trends. A series of green candles, the price is on an upward trend. A series of red, it's heading down. Now, let's talk about volume. You'll often see this at the bottom of the chart. Volume shows how much Bitcoin was traded during a given period. High volume can indicate a strong interest in Bitcoin at its current price, either for buying or selling. Another key element is the moving average. This line smooths out price data over a specific period, helping you identify the overall trend. Is the price generally moving up or down? The moving average will tell you. Don't forget support and resistance levels. These are like psychological barriers for price. The support is where the price tends to stop falling, and resistance is where it often stops rising. Breaking through these levels can signal significant price movements. Lastly, market cap. It's not on the chart, but it's crucial. It's the total value of all Bitcoins in circulation. A rising market cap can mean Bitcoin is gaining popularity. And there you have it. You're now equipped to understand Bitcoin charts and make more informed decisions. Hit that like button if you found this guide helpful, and subscribe for more crypto insights. Dive into those charts, and I'll see you in the next video.